Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your availability in your calendar. So once you go ahead and log into your HighLevel account, what you're going to want to do is come over to the settings down here. The only way you can do this is if you log in on your desktop. Once you come into settings, you're going to click on calendars. You'll see your calendar here. Go ahead and click the three little dot icon right here and just click on edit. And then this is where you'll be able to set up your availability. You can name the appointment however you want. You could put your name in here. Then you could also come over here. This is how you'll change the intervals as well. So if you want to have a certain number of appointments per day, you fill that out here. Only one appointment per slot because you're only one person. If you have an agency or if you have multiple employees that are taking calls for you, you can obviously have multiple appointments per slot. Scheduling notice is huge. A lot of people want a 24-hour notice or buffer. This person is good with 4 to 6 hours, so I put it at 6 hours. We only want appointments booked out 5 days in advance, no more. Otherwise, we've seen a lot of people, if they book an appointment a week in advance or longer, they'll forget about it. So we like to see 5 days on average. And this also gives us 30-minute intervals, 30-minute consultation calls, and this is where you'll change your availability here. So you can choose Saturday and Sunday if you wish. This person's just doing Monday through Friday, normal business hours, 9 to 7. And then you just go down here and click on save, and it'll take you to this confirmation page. And this is where you don't really have to change anything on here. Obviously, you want to allow them to be able to reschedule. If something comes up, they'll be able to just open up their email address, their confirmation, and they'll be able to reschedule. Same thing with cancellation. That way they're not wasting your time or you're not wasting your time. And then if you have any other information, you could put in the pixel ID, or this is something that we actually handle on your behalf. And that's pretty much it. Just make sure you hit complete there, and that's how you update your availability.